Let's start. First, make sure Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux is enabled under Windows Features. Then go to this GitHub link that I have mentioned in the description and download the build according to your Windows version and its architecture. For me, it's Windows 11 with x86 architecture, so I'll be downloading this one. Scroll down to the Assets section, then download the build with GApps included and removed Amazon. And thanks to Mustard Chef for the awesome builds. Go to the downloaded compressed file, then extract the folder in your desired destination. I have it in my program files. Then open the extracted file, scroll down, you'll see a batch file called run. Right-click on it and then run it as an administrator. Ignore the warnings as usual, then run anyway. After all the terminal processes complete, you should be good to go. But for some reason, if that does not work, then copy your folder path, open the terminal as an administrator, cd to your folder, then run this command that I have mentioned in the description below and hit enter. Now, if that does not work, then most probably your computer does not support WSA. If the batch file ran and installed successfully, then you should be able to search for Playstore, open it, log in, and use any type of Android application you want. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye.